Please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell to receive notification when I upload new recipe. So we have our chicken nicely washed here. Remove the skin. I'm gonna have, this is a teaspoon of dried ginger, and I have a tablespoon of fresh ginger. That's about a kilo of chicken legs. Here I have some allspice. This is about 2 teaspoons. Allspices. I have a teaspoon of dried thyme here, and I have 2 teaspoons of rosemary. If you never try curry chicken with rosemary, you are missing a new taste. So here I have, this is 2 teaspoons of curry with 1 teaspoon of turmeric. You can do this if your curry is not rich in color. You can always add some extra turmeric. So I'm going to use about a teaspoon of black pepper. And here I have my complete season, all purpose. This have salt and everything, so I don't need any salt. Yeah. So this is what our chicken look like after we give it a nice rub. You can leave it to marinate a while, and then we are going to continue with our curry chicken. So we have over here this about 2 tablespoons of oil. So we are going to go in with about 8 minced garlic. We want this to saute a little in the oil to release that nice aroma. Smelling so good. So to this we are going to add some extra curry and turmeric powder to burn a little. To give that curry a beautiful color. So you want to stay at the pot. You don't want to leave it for long, just for a few minutes. We don't want to get it too dark. Yeah. So we are going to add our chicken now to this nice looking curry mixture here. And we are going to give it a nice stir right away. So I'm going to pour some onion I have here. It's about half a cup of onion. Go ahead and add the lentil. Lentils are easy to cook, so you can go ahead and add it at the same time. So we're going to add a little water. We are going to start off with a cup of water. And we are going to cover. Just an hour later, our curry chicken with lentil is finished. This was cooked on medium high, medium low heat. So we have a seasoned bouillon there, and we are gonna add our shredded carrot. That's about 2 cups. So this water is almost boiling. So we are going to go ahead and also add our rice that has been washed. So few minutes before the rice is ready, I'm sprinkling a little chives finely chopped. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to mix it right through, give our rice a little color. This is one of my best curry chicken recipe. The herbs bring out the flavor in this curry chicken. Wow. So ladies and gentlemen, go ahead and try this recipe. Drop a comment below, let me know how did yours came out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and share. Thanks for watching. Bye.